Have you always wondered what it felt like to play with fire? Why not give it a try? Through SWWC, you can take welding at Saline High School.
For anybody that is even curious about welding, take the class, try it.
Even though we're based in Saline, we're not just a Saline school. We are the Consortium.
When you do it, it's like that clean shot. It's like something that you just want to do again.
If you're looking for something that's going to feed your family, get your way through college, learn some good skills, this is the place to come. If you like to play with fire, we'll teach you how to do it safely.
If you're interested in taking welding, contact your counselor today.